Hi guys, welcome to True Vlogs. Now we are in Michelle's Garden in sa Paris, Cebu City, Carmen. Okay, grabe. Yan, flowers. Flowers, grabe. Here, my family in Michelle's Garden, no? Wow. Michelle's Garden. Oh guys, live ako. Here.
$0.05.
Guys, orchids. Sa mga orchids, very nice.
Di siya, picture ako siya.
White
Esa. Hindi. Ay po.
violets.
Kaya hindi sa mga kuan. Sige go.
Love flowers. So nice guys.
Diara, diara. Magana.
Kau siya, di siya. Where's BG? Wow, very nice. It's a garden. See? It's a garden here. All around here. It's the flowers, orchid. Siya singalan na orchids, ma'am? Singalan na orchids? Oh.